How to create an animated paper texture in After Effects. This is really easy to do in After Effects. We need to create positions and make them into a loop. You can use this effect with anything. So first we need a texture. You can find simple textures on Google. Select now the layer and press on S and zoom in. Use now the shortcut B for show only the position property. Now make a keyframe of position X and Y in the begin. Move now the time indicator and make more keyframes. You can simply move around the screen to find good positions for the keyframes. So now select all the keyframes and make it toggle hold keyframe. So as you can see, we have now made a nice effect. Now we need to make it as a loop. Hold down Alt and press on the keyframe icons. Now type loop out and both scripts. There we go, now you have created an animated paper texture in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.